Good evening, dear viewers. 9th of November 2018, 9 p.m. Marjona Abdullaeva, Professor Yuri's assistant for magnetic technologies with you. Short update on the weather progresses that we've been having. So we started the project called Atlantic Cloud on 4th of November, bringing the clouds that were above Miami and Cuba towards the Middle East. And these are the videos as the clouds were divided, and then some parts came towards the Middle East. These can be seen in our last videos. This video is just to update of where in the Middle East it is currently raining. The clouds that were able to reach the Middle East are right now in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait and the borders around these two countries. It is heavily raining in the territories of these two countries. These images can be seen. This image is from this morning at 10 a.m. For example, this and the one above it. Anyway, you can all the time access all this information yourself for authenticity in these directly from the satellite website. These are just the screenshots we give to update whoever is interested in watching them. Now, the purpose of this video is we've been having some questions from our viewers, and also I'm sure a lot of you ask the same question: why is it that the Iron Station is located in Dubai and it is raining in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait? This is something that we want to clarify. The weather generator has an impulse impact on clouds that are 1,000 kilometers away from it. This process of work makes it easier to increase the strength and amount of rain, example in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, as we are currently seeing. Though the weather generator is located here in Dubai, it is more efficient to use its power in further distances. That is because the energy waves of the ion generator works better in the altitudes that are 4 to 5 kilometers high, because the amount of humidity there is high as well. At the current moment in the Arab Emirates, the humidity is quite low, but this will change constantly. Then we will have the higher possibility to get clouds and rain in the UAE. Though, if we are able to install ion generators in Jeddah and Al Raid, for example, then we can generate rain in the Arab Emirates. And to have a stability in the process of our work, we will have to install tens of ion generators, whether in the stations in the rooftops of Abu Dhabi and Dubai, and also in the mountain heights of Al Ain, Jebel Hafid, and Hatta. So there has to be a stable network of generators to be able to show you exact work. Now, the question that has come to us from Mr. Valeri from Moscow is, I'm quoting, as understood, the clouds are moving towards Dubai, passing over Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. And the question is, if suddenly the ion generator is off, will the clouds be moving towards north? And Professor Yuri quote, yes, your point is correct. The clouds are passing over Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, partially moving towards Dubai. And regarding the question, if the ion generator stopped working, as we work with the higher clouds, we attract it through positive charges. At the current moment, there is an anticyclone over the UAE, and there is a small amount of clouds in the UAE and in the territories around it. These clouds also have negative charges, and that is why we can't. It can't come towards Dubai, as our generator works producing negative charges, and the clouds are also charged negatively. It's like two magnets. They are repelling when trying to connect because they are in the same charge. So if we change the charge of our generator to positive, we will be able to attract clouds. But these clouds will not bring us rain. It will just be some dry clouds over the territory. If we turn off the generator, the clouds will slowly start dissolving. We just need to be patient, and we will soon receive some rain, inshallah. So, and this was the answer to the question of Mr. Valeri. And again, the point of all our work and all these videos that we're doing, and you know, all the facts that we're trying to show through satellite websites, which can be checked by everyone else as well. We're just giving you a short forecast of what is possible for us to do, and we are trying to create some sort of awareness in the public, and especially, of course, to the governments, that the situation in this region can be changed. But for this, we will need support. We will need a network of generators to be installed in different countries of the region to get the actual result that we are trying to reach. Dubai is just one part of it, and there is only one generator, and everything that we're doing is just being done by one generator alone. So if we have a network of them, then we'll be able to do much greater and more complex work, both locally and globally. Thank you very much, dear viewers. Our next project starting today, Professor Yuri started working on Venezuela project. I will be updating you daily. If there is any information, question that you have, any concerns, please get in touch with us in our website, our emails, from whoever you've heard about us. We'll be most happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much again. Good night.